Hi there, this is the Redmi Note 5 and it costs 9,999 rupees. Yep, 1 rupee shy of 10,000 rupees. It seems to be one of the best budget smartphones available today, so I thought I'll make a video about it. Let's quickly do an unboxing and a hands-on overview of the device. This is your friend Texting. Let's get started. The box is really nice, clearly inspired from the iPhone packing. Some of the specifications mentioned here are 5.99-inch LCD display, front selfie light, 4000 mAh battery and Snapdragon 625. This is a gold color 32GB variant with 3GB of RAM. So now let's quickly open the box. First thing on the top is a glossy transparent cover. Frankly, I wasn't expecting this. That's a huge screen on the front. The back is beautiful gold metal body. The gold color is very subtle, identical to Apple I can say. Warranty card and a quick start guide. Here is the USB to micro USB charging cable. No USB-C. Here is the power adapter. Output is 5 watt by 2 watts. Don't think this supports fast charge. We'll update in the full review. A SIM ejector tool. The contents in the box are the Note 5, micro USB to USB cable, power adapter, cover and SIM ejector tool. Let's have a physical overview of the device. The back is soft gold metal body. It is very similar to the Apple iPhone with lines on the bottom and on the top. Front houses a 5.99-inch IPS LCD panel. On the right down we have the power/lock button, volume rocker up and down. On the top we have the infrared sensor, noise cancelling mic and my favorite 3.5mm audio headphone jack. Favorite because I totally miss it on my iPhone. On the front, this is the 5-megapixel selfie camera, earphone, proximity sensor and flash for selfies. At the bottom we have the speaker, a primary microphone and the micro USB port. On the left is the SIM tray. Let's remove it and have a closer look. This is a dual hybrid SIM, which means you can either use 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and 1 micro SD card. On the back we have the fingerprint scanner, which has a nice golden shiny ring and looks really beautiful. The dual LED true flash and 12 megapixel camera. Alright, let's fire this thing up. The setup process is simple. Select your language, choose your country, enter Wi-Fi and sign in with your Google account so it can sync all your emails, contacts, calendars and more. Mi Phone's MIUI 9 skin on Android looks appealing and vibrant. Let's check out the Android version in settings. So the Android version is 7.1.2 Nougat, 3 GB RAM, 32 GB on board, out of which 24 GB is available. Let's change the wallpaper and see. Wow, this looks simply stunning. Let's have a closer look at the display. As you can see, the display is extremely sharp and vibrant. Here is the pull down quick settings. Let's have a sneak peek at the camera. We'll take some quick pictures. The shutter speed is surprisingly very fast. Let's check out the picture quality. And it's quite good actually. I'll do a detailed review of the camera in my full review. Quick test of the fingerprint scanner, entering a pattern. Now rest your finger on the scanner for it to register your fingerprint. And it's done. Let's put this to the test. Oh, that was blazing fast. Let's check this again. This is amazing. You just rest your finger on the fingerprint scanner and in a split second it unlocks. Oh, that is really fast. Very impressive, I should say. So my initial impression, the device looks gorgeous without burning a hole in your pocket. Full review coming up. Stay subscribed. Yet another flash sale device, which I think is a huge roadblock for most buyers. I'll be doing an in-depth review of this device, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. You don't want to miss this one. Also, don't forget to smash that like button. Write down in the comments below if you have any questions regarding the Redmi Note 5. Until next time, cheers.